If you're into note taking, knowledge management, or building your own digital brain, you have probably heard of Logseq. In this video, I'll give you a quick and honest review of Logseq in 2025, including its pros, cons, and whether it's still worth using this year. Let's jump right in. What is Logseq? So, what is Logseq? Logseq is a privacy first open source note taking and knowledge management tool that uses Markdown and outlining. It's similar to Obsidian or Roam Research, but with a bigger focus on local storage and user control. You can think of it as a personal wiki where you can connect your ideas, projects, and notes all without relying on the cloud. Pros. Now let's talk about what makes Logseq stand out in 2025. Number one, privacy and control. Your notes are stored locally, meaning you own your data. You can sync manually or with your own cloud service if you want, but Logseq never forces you into a subscription. Number two, powerful linking and graph features. Every note connects to another, helping you visualize relationships between ideas. Perfect for researchers, students, and creators. Number three, task management built in. You can use to-dos, priorities, and tags directly in your notes, making it great for personal productivity. Number four, community and customization. Because it is open source, there is an active community and a wide range of plugins, themes, and scripts to tweak Logseq exactly how you want. Cons. But Logseq isn't perfect. If you are new to outliners or Markdown, it can take a while to get comfortable. Second, occasional bugs and sync issues. Since it's open source, updates can introduce small bugs, especially on mobile. Third, no native cloud sync or team collaboration. It's great for solo users, but not ideal for team projects that need real-time sharing. Verdict. So is Logseq worth it in 2025? Absolutely. If you value privacy, flexibility, and deep personal knowledge organization, Logseq is one of the best tools out there. However, if you prefer something more plug and play or collaborative, tools like Notion or Obsidian might be better options. And that is it for today's review. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.